It's new in 2010. It has a FANUC OIMD control. You have coolant system as well with the machine. Jogging the axes, that's your X and Y. Table size is 23.6 by 15.8. You have a 20 tool sidearm tool changer, which is Cat 40. We're running the spindle. That's 500 RPM. It's a 10,000 RPM spindle. Again, it's Cat 40.
2,000.
That's 2,000.
3,500.
3,500.
5,000.
That's 5,000.
75.
And that's 7,500 again. Max RPM is 10,000, Cat 40. You have 18.9 of X travel, 15 3/4 in Y, and just short of 17, 16.93 in the Z. Do a tool change. Do another one. Again, 20 position tool changer.